Slime, I really like slime. It's really easy to make, so I make it all the time. Hello, my name's Sholah and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making 2-ingredient no glue slime. So first I've got an edible slime with Starburst, and then I've got a just normal slime and it's got corn flour and then some dishwashing soap. And I'm going to be adding scents in both of them. I've got mint and strawberry. So let's get on to the video. So first I'm going to be doing this one because on the Starburst edible one you need to put it in the microwave. So I'm going to be doing that last. So first you'll need to add your dishwashing soap. So I got Palmolive. I don't know how to pronounce that. For this, a clear bowl, a spoon, I'm using a spatula, so obviously dishwashing soap, corn flour, and then I'm using a mint scent in this, even though this actually might scent it. So this turns out into a corn flour thing that actually stretches. It's way softer than Play-Doh, so I'm going to do enough to cover the bottom. That's enough. So add as much as that as you want. How much you add is how much slime you'll have. As you can see, it's obviously not slime yet. So I've actually only tried this recipe once, so I don't know how good it's actually going to work. And I'm going to add quite a lot of corn flour. Good. About maybe that much for now. Oopsies. So I'm going to speed this up while I mix it. Okay, so it's gotten a bit thicker as you can see. And it seems fluffy for some reason. So I'm going to add my scent and speed it up again because I'm going to add more corn flour. So you will need to add quite a lot more. As you can see, I did. Because it might need a bit more. And that, that scent made it a bit watery. Okay, so now I'm going to take all of my spatula and go in with my hands. So as you can see, it's all gone crumbly. So you're going to want to knead that more and more. And it actually did scent it. It's actually a really nice mint smell. So I'm going to basically cut this bit out until it's slime. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's not actually working. I took so long like kneading this and everything. But I'm gonna keep on going because I think it just needs a bit more of this. First off, I added too much of that. Now, second, I added too much corn flour. Now, I bet it's gonna be, I added a bit too much of that again. Oopsies. And it's also a really good recipe for no glue. Yeah, it's worked, basically. So now let's pour it all out on the table. So now I'm going to move that to the side. And just knead it. I'm going to add a bit more of that dishwashing soap. So I'm going to zoom on this maybe to show you it. It feels way better than it looks. I'm not lying. So yeah, that is that slime. And I'm going to tidy all of this up. I really hope you enjoyed making this slime with me. Now we're going to be making the Starburst slime. Okay, so I've cleaned out my bowl and everything. I cleaned the table. So here is the final piece for the corn flour slime. It's actually still kind of sticky, but it does turn out really good, I promise. Today was kind of just went a bit wrong. When you stretch it slowly, it's actually really cool. So now for this one, what you'll need is some Starburst. I'm using Fruit Burst because in New Zealand here, it's basically Starburst. So then we have icing sugar. I basically activate it. And then obviously your spatula and bowls. First, I don't know if I'm going to add actually all of the colours. There we go. So part of it. Oh, I forgot that was in wrappers. So yeah, I'm going to undo all the wrappers and put it in the microwave. I've got my Starburst in the bowl. It seriously took so long. So now I'm going to go and put it in the microwave. Okay, so I've put, oh God, if I'm just got stuck now. I put them in the microwave. It doesn't look different, but, so I'm going to pick it up and look. It's just like, oh, it's so much softer. So I'm going to come close to the camera and I'm going to show you. Okay, so here it is. It looks so cool. I'm going to try and make this my thumbnail. Oh, that's so hot. Sorry. So this one's still kind of hard. So I left it in there for about like 20, 15 minutes. So I'm not actually adding the scent. Because I know it's edible, but I just don't feel like it. So if you're sticky and kind of watery, that's when the point you add some icing sugar. What? No, this is seriously like slime. It is slime basically because it's edible slime. Okay, so I've basically got it all out of the bowl. Like, it's proper slime, but it's not going to be the exact texture as proper slime. It's a bit way more thick. And it doesn't really poke. Well, it does, but it doesn't make a sound. Well, actually it does make a sound. Oh, should I get this my thumbnail? No, that's not my thumbnail. It's like a mixture of all taste. It tastes so cool. I'm gonna put that away quickly. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and bye!